All right. So it took us instead of, I'll be very honest. Let's be honest
Mm-hmm.
in the testimonial, because we are going to show it to the world. It was also my experience independently teaching someone properly end to end. So instead of 45 days, it took us 4 to 5 months to completely learn, go through the UX program. So how did you feel about the complete duration? Not taking 45 days, but it took more than 4 months. What do you feel about that?
Like today, I just remember myself when we started. I was don't know about the F from Figma, and even you know that I was not able to just drag and drop or try to create any component. The way you teach me, the way you shaped my my knowledge about the UI and UX study, I really feel that I have got someone who like put out me just uh, hang my hand and go the way that I want to go there. So I feel like honestly, I learned a lot of things from you, indirectly or directly, for the personal life also, yeah, and in this course also.
Okay. So, if you had to give me, let's pick two things,
Mm,
technical teaching and conceptual teaching. If you had to wait
mm.
between technical teaching and conceptual teaching, which one would you pick the highest that as a rating?
For you, like it's both because, but I would say that technical, you have the 10 out of 10. I won't be able to match you. You maybe remember or not, I used to have the multiple questions regarding the concept. You taught me clearly, definitely. And for the technical, you used to give me always the recordings. And then again, I used to ask the question in next session, which we used to do on, Saturday basis. You go back to the previous lecture for the concept as well as the technical that which case you missed here, you have to do it good, then it will be show nicer, or maybe something that would be lights out, we can say.
Okay. So we just go with three questions. Three is my rule. Even in gym, I do
Mm,
only three workout. Even in questions, I only ask three questions in testimonial. So the final
mm,
question, give me your overall experience working with me, not just as a student, but working together on
mm,
this application, coffee place, coffee management
mm,
application. How was your overall
mm.
experience working with me?
Like if I am the student of you and you would be my trainer, so there is a something bond between trainer and like student. Student always get scared, or there would be the what we can the soft corner from trainer. But in what I noticed you, it's like a little bit of strictness and discipline. I remember I used to miss some lectures just because of my personal problems. Yeah, you used to say that we can take it to the next, but I know that you were little disappointed, but you handled it well. And for those there should be the what I realized while I'm the corporate person, so I know the bond between the manager and the reportee. So sometimes I feel like that, and I feel like, yeah, this is what I have need to do at any cost by just your few words. Not I can say it's rudeness, nothing. It's just as simple. You told me, Rishikesh, you have to do this till the next lecture anyhow, because we won't be able to go further if we did not complete this. And I realized in one like past last month also, for the 1 week, I guess I didn't do the job good. So you told me that we are not going further. You have to complete the previous one. Then only we will go to the next step. So that I liked it. Then I took it kind of seriousness and I did it like what I can do for that particular task.
That's good. Yeah, I think that's very important, and I'm proud of you that you learned that because
Mm,
a lot can happen. Like in teaching, I'll just stop this here because we are
mm,
done.